We started the center in order to build a better, more balanced understanding of the future of war and peace. So at the Center for Security Innovation and New Technology, we look at the full range of digitally based technologies, everything from cybersecurity to the Internet of Things, to 3D printing, drones, other robotics, autonomous systems, artificial intelligence, but we also look at older technologies because the combination of new technologies and old technologies is what's going to determine the future of security and global stability. That's what we're trying to do at the center. To work together with our students, with a wide range of faculty from different disciplines, with experts that come in from the outside, individuals that have expertise both in the tools but also in their use. So come and join us at the center. It's an exciting, dynamic place